It's day 16 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge, and today we're giving your entry closet a much needed seasonal makeover. Whether it's overflowing with jackets or hidden mismatched mittens, we're about to make the space functional and fabulous. Let's dive in. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We're starting week 4 of our challenge, and this week it's all about tackling the entry area, office/desk zone, purse and bag, and under the kitchen sink. Download your free printable checklist using the link below and join us on this decluttering journey. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today, we're focusing on the heart of the entry, which is the closet. Ready to clear some space for your seasonal items? Let's do this. My entry closet can be a disaster sometimes because I live in a multi-generational household that has to share a small entryway closet. If you do the math, it just doesn't work, but we do our best to make it work. I'm gonna do both the jackets as well as the shoe sections today personally because why not? Half of the time I have no idea what is in there, so let's do this. Coats, jackets, and winter wear. Start by removing everything from the entryway closet. Lay it all out so you can see what you're working with. Ask yourself, does this fit? Do I wear it? Is it still in good condition? If the answer is no, it's time to donate and discard it. Keep only the pieces that you truly need and love. Seasonal switch. Take stock of the season. Are you heading into winter like I am? Keep your cozy coats, hats, and gloves easily accessible. For off-season items, consider storing them in bins or vacuum-sealed bags to free up space. Label them clearly so you know where to find them when the season changes. Final touch. Organize your closet for maximum functionality. Use hooks and baskets for hats, gloves, and scarves. Arrange your coats by type or length for a visually pleasing and easy to navigate closet. Also, if you live in a multi-generational household or just have a large family, think about adding a little tag or label on the hangers so you know whose jacket this belongs to. That's what I decided to do this year because it was a huge problem in our home. For some reason, we just can't remember. I'm exhausted and I'm going to upgrade the top shelf of the entry closet in my home later. I got an idea and the products I want in mind, but that's for another day. Doing the jackets and shoe section alone was more than enough for me today. And that's it for day 16. How many coats did you part with today? I got rid of 2 and gave 1 to my sister. So that's pretty good. Let me know in the comments below because I want to know, what did you end up finding? If you're enjoying this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join the rest of our 28-day journey. Tomorrow, we're moving on to the desk area, so get ready to tackle your workspaces like a pro. See you tomorrow.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.